Ever wondered how your garden can thrive even in the driest conditions? Enter drought-tolerant plants. These resilient species can withstand parched conditions, playing a crucial role in keeping your garden vibrant in drought-stricken areas. Smart gardening starts with the right choice of plants. So why should you consider these hardy plants for your garden? Drought-tolerant plants offer a cornucopia of benefits. They significantly reduce water consumption, making them a perfect fit for our changing climate. Moreover, they're low maintenance, saving you time and effort in upkeep. But perhaps the most enchanting quality is their role in promoting local biodiversity, inviting a variety of creatures to your garden. Indeed, these plants are not just beautiful, they're also eco-friendly. Now, which plants are we talking about here? Let's introduce a few types. First, succulents. These plump, moisture-storing wonders are perfect for forgetful waterers. They are easy to maintain and come in a variety of shapes and colors. Then we have sagebrush, a native of the American West, with its silver foliage and resilience to arid conditions. Lastly, there's lavender, a fragrant beauty that thrives in dry, sunny locations. Not only is it drought-tolerant, but its aroma also brings a calming presence to any garden. These plants' care requirements are minimal, just a bit of sun, and they're good to go. There's a wide variety of these resilient plants to choose from, each with its unique charm. So, are you ready to make a smart gardening choice? With drought-tolerant plants, you can enjoy an array of benefits from saving water to maintaining vibrant, resilient gardens even in dry conditions. They're not just for drought-prone areas. These plants can be a savvy addition to any garden. So why not give it a go? Bring some drought-tolerant plants into your green space and witness the change. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!